This is a T-Bone production coming to you live from Dubai. A live segment for Filipinos loaded with tips and insights. Standing out, speaking out. It's entertaining. It's informative. It's interactive. And we want you to be a part of it. Standing out, speaking out. And now, here's your host, Kabayan Rico, live from Dubai. There are many Filipinos who achieve what they truly desire in life to attain success. But what is success to you? Is it landing a high-paying job? Is it letting your kids finish their education? Is it establishing your own business? Harmony in the family? Or retire with financial freedom? Ano ba ang tagumpay sa'yo? Based on survey, most successful people ay merong isang tinatawag na common denominator, ang tinatawag na habits, ugali, kinagawian. Join me for the next 1 hour as we tackle on our magandang subject ito, di ba? Habits ng mga successful Filipinos. Joining me today is PYT. Oh, naalala mo yung kanta ni Michael Jackson na Pretty Young Thing back in the 80s, di ba? So I call her PYT. Oh, di ba? Ang pinakamaganda niyan is maganda pa, mabait pa, matulungin pa. A product of the University of the East with a degree in marketing management. At ang gagandahan niya, no? Not all will have the opportunity to work in Malacanang. She got her baptism of fire as an employee of the Office of the President under the Department of Budget and Management. Dahil talented siya, no? With her expertise in sales and marketing, she landed a job here in the United Arab Emirates in some luxury and fashion brands. And with her passion to be an entrepreneur, she leads a dynamic team and presently carving a name here in Dubai. Kasama ko ngayon ang isang magandang Bini Bini PYT. Oh, di ba? Combination ng dalawang kanta. I'm proud to be my guest today, ang magandang si Kyra Canese. Welcome to Standing Out, Speaking Out, Kyra.
Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me. It's my pleasure to be here.
I think the pleasure is mine. Oy, bumati ka muna sa mga nanonood sa atin. Yan.
Okay, first of all po, I would like to say thank you to Sir Rico for having me here in his segment. And sa lahat po ng nanonood dito sa Dubai o even sa Pilipinas, magandang umaga.
Oh, we are viewed anywhere in the world, considering that we have 4 million followers. So I'd like to say hi to all the 4 million followers of T-Bone. And by the way, di ba birthday ni Madam Jana the other day? So have a good one. Kahapon family day. Kaya si Direct Mike and si Jana, they're out with the family celebrating her important occasion, birthday. So Madam Jana, happiest birthday. Siguro ang laki ng birthday candle mo kahapon. Now, alam mo, ang ganda ng topic natin at akmang-akma sa'yo. Pero bago ang lahat, batiin mo muna yung mother mo. Gisingin mo.
Okay, first of all, to all of my family, I hope you're watching right
madam, don't forget, every gising is a blessing. Oh, di ba? Oh, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, can you do us a big favor? Paki-share naman ng live natin para maibahagi natin ang ating diskusyon ngayon. Kasi importante bawat isa kasi sa atin ng mga Pilipino, gusto natin maging successful, di ba?
Of course.
Gusto nating magtagumpay, no? Yan ang importante. Oh, kaya ito yung magandang talagang panoorin ng 4 million. Oo. Bago natin tatalakayin yung, ikaw, tatanungin kita ngayon ha, kasi ikaw yung entrepreneur so you have to share with us kung ano yung mga habits talaga. We will be right back as we start giving you insights on the habits of successful Filipinos.
Bini-bini lang ba kung paano nahulog sa'yo? Naramdaman lang bigla ng puso. Aking sinta, ikaw lang nagparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa akin ang tumatakbo sa isip mo. Kung mahal mo na rin ba ako, isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng
Doon tayo sa elegante, pero sulit. UAE Kabayan Souk.
Oy, ang gandang pakinggan. Doon na tayo sa elegante, di ba? Gusto kong batiin, participation time ito Gusto kong batiin yung mag-asawa, ang entrepreneur, ang may-ari ng UAE Kabayan Souk, Mr. Amigo and Miss A. Oh, maraming salamat for always supporting T-Bone. Oh, andito tayo ngayon sa ating Standing Out, Speaking Out. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin, you are exposed to business at saka alam mo, marami ka na nakikita ng mga successful businessman, no? Ano sa tingin mo ang, kasi we are talking about habits of successful Filipinos, ano ang unang habit na maiisip mo?
Sa akin, it's important in your life.
Oy, importante yun talaga. No, because nothing in this world happens without a green light from God. Oo. Ikaw ba do you pray on a regular basis?
Yes po, every day. And every day, I always
Okay.
don't know how to start it. I just tell God, I'm giving everything to you. Ikaw na bahala. Whether it's business or this.
You are really guided by God kasi tingnan mo nga, wala pang napili. Oo. For the information of the single men in the house. Oy, baka sabihin ng mama mo, oy, ba't pinubuyo mo yung anak ko? Yan. So, importante talaga, no? I agree with you kasi maganda talaga pag pogi tayo, di ba? Pogi. Presence of God inside. Kasi all the activities you're doing on a daily basis, maganda, di ba? Because you would think that, is this the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? Di ba?
And I believe kasi Sir Rico, if you're going to surrender everything to God, everything will fall into place.
Yeah, exactly. You said it right, di ba? Oh, ang galing. Batang-bata pa, pero establishing a strong relationship with God. Ito yung pinaka-importante talaga. So yung mga lahat na nanonood po, lalo na yung 4 million followers ng T-Bone, ako, dapat talaga we need to follow what she mentioned earlier. O ano pa?
Actually, kung gusto niyo po siguro maging successful, first po siguro is you need to define what is success. Kasi para po sa akin, kagaya ko, I'm an entrepreneur right now here in UAE. But for me po, it's not about having all the money, the houses, the cars. It's about what you want. You need to start with your why.
Why? Yung goal.
Yes.
Okay, so yung deep why niya. What is it that you really want in life?
Yes.
Yun, di ba? Yung purpose mo talaga, importante yun.
And actually po ako personally, ma-advise ko sa mga nanonood, you need to begin with the end mind.
Of course, Stephen Covey had habit to begin with the end in mind. Di ba?
Yes.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now? Di ba?
Yes.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now? ano ba ang klaseng kabaong ang gusto mong higaan at the end, di ba?
Yes,
Is it
Sir Rico.
gold-plated or kahoy? No?
Exactly.
Kaya, importante talaga. No?
Saka pero sa akin, Sir Rico, if you want to support something, sabi ko nga, always ask yourself why you're doing something. Ano ba yung gusto mo ngayon? Ano ba yung
Right, yeah.
and mind that you have to yourself. Doon mo ma-achieve yung mga mission mo sa buhay.
Exactly.
Ikaw ang
Oh.
mag-motivate.
Yun, importante talaga yon because when you have a purpose or a goal in life, you will be guided. You will have a sense of direction. Yun importante eh. Kasi kung wala kang goal, wala kang purpose, wala kang sense of direction. So, you will just go with the flow. No?
Yes.
Diba? Ang mangyari niyan is you will live a life by default. Hindi
Yes.
yung life by design na dapat ito yung gusto kong buhay. So, dapat ito yung gagawin ko araw-araw so that like for example, if I am here today and this is where I want to be, the things that we do on a daily basis should lead us to where we want to be 5
Yes.
years from now. Diba?
Exactly.
Oo.
Siguro po yun yung pangalawa. Siyempre, first ika,
Oh,
yung una kong
ano pa?
mention. Pangalawa natin is you need to know your goal.
Mm.
Kasi after you determine what is your goal, doon na papasok yung mga habit mo.
Oo.
So, if you know your goal, doon sa bawat araw na gagawin mo, alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. And you need to always ask yourself, is this kind of activity is going to lead me?
Exactly. Exactly. Hindi yung ang daming distraction. Pag mayroong distraction, you will avoid that because this will, in the first place, this will never help me reach my goal. Di ba? Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Kaya
Um,
siguro po, it's important that if you want to be successful or you want to achieve something in your life, you have this discipline.
Yun. Importante yun. Huwag po kayong aalis. Magbabalik po kami with more tips from our young entrepreneur in a short while.
Not bad, huh?
I think it needs something. And whoa, hold it. Maybe something more bullish.
Bullish? I mean, it has to be out of this world.
No. What we really need is something seriously next level. Now that's next level.
Yan ang magandang balita for those who are into cryptocurrency. Bybit. Gusto kong batiin ulit yung 4 million followers ng T-Bone. Maraming salamat for supporting us and for being with us all these years. Now, let's continue our discussion. Ang ganda talaga pag yung bisita mo maganda, talented at business oriented talaga. No, ano pa? Dapat meron tayong habit na
Siguro po, after setting your goal, you need to have this confidence. Siguro, Sir Rico, when I say confidence, it's not about bragging or being so
kasi
full of
dalawa yun eh.
yourself.
There's a thin line, no? Minsan yung tiwala sa sarili at hambog, malaking pagkakaiba yun. Di ba? Yung iba kasi, nasusobraan, no? Yung iba naman, kaya low self-esteem. Kasi, kuha na,
Kulang naman.
may iba kasi nga na yung tinatawag na KSP, kulang sa pansin. Alam mo, ang solusyon yan, KKP. Kahit
Ano naman
kunting
yun, Sir
pagtingin.
Parang hindi po habit yung topic natin, Sir Rico.
So, self-confidence.
Yes
How
po.
important for us to have self-confidence in everything we do?
Siguro po, the right amount of self-confidence. When I say na kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence sa sarili mo, if you're going to pursue anything or any goals in your life, the number one person na kailangang maniwala dun sa goal mo is yourself.
Of course! Kasi,
Exactly.
yun nga ang sabi nila eh, no? if you don't believe in yourself, nobody else will. Kaya nga,
Exactly.
mag-umpisa talaga sa'yo. Pero ang problema kasi niyan is, yung iba, you know how valuable self-confidence is? Kasi marami kang, kaya ko kaya ito? No?
Exactly.
Pag wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo, kung kulang ka sa pag-iisip na, uy, meron akong kakayahan na gawin ito. No?
Yes.
Pag kabado ka, wala talagang mangyari sa'yo. You are always hesitant. No?
Actually,
So,
Sir
maganda
Rico.
talaga yung self-confidence.
Saka
Kaya,
kapag meron ka, Sir Rico, na confidence doon sa bagay na gagawin mo, sometimes you need to be deaf to your surroundings.
of course,
You just
wag-
need to believe to yourself.
Wag mo alam mo, meron kasi mga tinatawag na dream stealers.
Yes.
Oo. And these people abound. So, no, they're in all four corners, no? Kasi sabi na, hindi mo kaya yan. May mga tao kasi na, in fact, itong mga dream stealers, some of them are our friends.
Yes.
Ayaw nilang aangat ka, no?
Totoo
Kaya
yan,
sabi nila
Sir
na,
Rico.
ay, hindi mo kaya yan. Marami nang pumalpak dyan. Huwag lang, mag-aaksaya ka lang ng panahon. Di ba? Oo.
Saka, kung meron kang gustong marating sa buhay mo, ikaw ang magdedetermine nun. Once you set your goal, and you know that you can do it, you need to claim it.
Okay, of
You are
course.
the one who will determine
Oo.
kung ano yung mararating mo sa buhay mo. Not other people, not your family sometimes. Ikaw ang magdedetermine kung ano ang gusto mong maging ikaw.
Oh, di ba? Narinig nyo. In other words, you don't seek the approval of other people for what
Exactly.
you are doing. If you believe that this is good for you,
Yes.
no? Kasama yun sa personal branding eh, no? Kung ano yung gusto mong image at if you think you're
Exactly.
happy with it, no? Don't mind the things that other people will say, no? Kaya,
Saka, Sir Rico, if you have this strong belief sa gagawin mo,
oo,
talagang you will not give up.
of course.
Because you believe that you can achieve it.
Mm.
And actually, we need to have that mindset na whatever you do, you need to give your 100%
Mm.
or more than 100%.
Oo,
Kasi lagi nga sinasabi, everything starts with hard work.
of
Sa
course.
umpisa, talagang mahirap. Talagang walang madali. Kahit anumang field ang gawin mo,
Oo.
gusto maging doctor, maging entrepreneur, or architect, whatever profession you want to pursue in your life, it's always hard.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo na sa umpisa ay kung talaga, no? It requires hard work.
Yes,
Kaya
sir.
nga, ano sabi na, no pain, no gain. No, we need to accept the fact that there's no elevator to success.
Yes.
We need to take the stairs. Kaya kung medyo papalpa ka naman, kung medyo mahirap naman is take baby steps.
Actually,
Oo.
Sir Rico, ako personally, since
Oo.
nabanggit mo yung ladder,
Ah,
we need to we need to pretend na parang tayo sa sarili natin, we're climbing a stairs.
of course,
Did you
yeah.
notice that if we are climbing a stairs, kapag paakyat tayo, sobrang hirap umakyat.
Oo.
Pero,
Pero
if bumababa
pag-
tayo ng hagdan,
madali
sobrang
lang.
dali.
Ako lang talagang nahihirapan dahil sa tuhod ko eh.
So, ibig sabihin, sometimes if we're facing a lot of challenges in life or
Mm.
mga failures, struggles, it means you are growing or you're going up.
Oo.
So, if you're feeling na pababa ka,
Mm.
ibig sabihin, you're not doing something or your life is just a plateau.
Oh, and probably you are not actually doing something that is relevant to the sense of purpose that you actually started
Yes,
when
Rico.
nung nag-umpisa ka. Oh, ano pa?
Siguro po, after determining all your goals, ano yung dapat mong gawin, this is where all the tasks and habits will come in.
Mm.
Kasi pagdating po sa task, you need to categorize it if it's important,
Oh,
if it's urgent.
oh, dapat talaga prioritize, di ba?
Yes.
Naalaala ko tuloy yung time matrix ni Stephen Covey, di ba?
Yes.
Na you have to segregate things. Ano yung important, ano yung urgent, ano yung not important and not urgent. So,
Exactly.
yung meron kasi mga bagay na we can delegate, no? At we don't have to do it ourselves kasi you have to do things that are more important, no? Ang iba kasi is lalo na pag you are actually sa workplace, ito yung makikita natin, multitasking,
Exactly.
no? You are exploited because multitasking is the trend nowadays, even with the different companies here. Kaya minsan we're losing focus and it affects our performance as well.
Exactly.
Di ba?
Actually po, even sa mga young audience na nanonood
Mm.
ngayon, naaalala natin nung nag-aaral pa tayo, talagang if we have this final exam na kailangan nating ipasa
Oh.
or you're aiming to be the top in the class, talagang i-segregate
Oo.
yung pagpunta sa parties, talagang magre-review
Oo.
ka because you need to prioritize your goals.
At saka minsan kasi, I was guilty during my college days. Yun bang, malayo pa ang exam, hindi ka nag-aaral, di ba? Pero pag a day, a night na, nagka-cramming ka na eh, no?
Exactly.
No, if you have time management talaga,
Exactly.
you're not actually managing time. You have to manage yourself in relation to the available time.
Exactly.
That is what is time management is all about. Managing
Saka
yourself.
dito siguro po, Sir Rico, if you're going to talk about the task, papasok na naman dito yung why eh. You always need to always go back to your why kung bakit mo ginagawa yon. Then, if yung mga activity na gusto mong gawin will not align to your goals or to your why, then why you need to do it.
At para makikita mo talaga yan, importanteng magkaroon tayo ng to-do list.
Exactly.
Kasi kung may to-do list ka, makikita mo yung, hindi naman ito importante. Pwede ko namang i-delegate ito, di ba? Ito,
Exactly.
hindi naman ito nakakatulong sa akin. Di ba? Kaya importante yon. Ano pa? Para sa'yo.
Saka siguro po, when we're talking about the task, we need to analyze how urgent it is. Sobra bang urgent ng task? Kasi there's important things to do and there's some urgent things to do for your goal.
Tingnan nyo, batang-bata pa, pero kung magsalita, parang 45 years old na ito eh. No? Importante yon yung sense of urgency. No?
Exactly.
Kasi alam mo, sometimes we are guilty, but if you realize that the task that you are doing won't not really help in the productivity, no?
Exactly.
Dapat talaga meron tayong sense of urgency na mawala yung habit na procrastination, no,
Exactly.
di ba? Na
Yun po ang
putting
sakit
off,
natin, to be honest.
bukas na lang,
Exactly.
mamaya na lang, saka na lang, no? Manyana habit, di ba?
Saka, example po, Sir Rico, for example, you're an entrepreneur or you want to have this goal to have a 7-figure income.
Oh.
For example, this is your goal.
Hmm.
So, ibig sabihin, your monthly activities should be like your weekly activities for you to achieve that monthly
Exactly.
income that
Exactly.
you're aiming, na maging weekly income mo na lang siya. So, talagang you need to be urgent sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Gaano ka ba kagigil para makuha yung goal mo?
Dapat meron tayong we need to use the power of now as in NOW, not later, no? Not next week. Magbabalik po kami with more tips from our entrepreneur when we... Teka muna, bago tayo mag-commercial break, batiin mo muna yung kaibigan natin na loveless pa rin. MK. Oo.
Hi, Judy.
Visa Katrina.
Yes.
At saka yung si Chris Diamond.
Yeah.
Oo.
Hi, Kuya Chris.
Si Chris Diamond na, nako, ibang klase talaga yan. Chris, kailan ba ang booster ko? Stay where you are because we will be right back.
What's the true meaning of luxury anyway? It's not always about opulence. Or extravagance, even. It's more about being able to revel in the finer things in life. Living well, you know? In a new world where space is of utmost importance, it's about comfort. Having peace of mind, feeling secure about yourself and your surroundings. It's about having time. The nearness of you and everything else you might need. But more importantly, it's about being able to share it all with you. Lucima, the luxury of wellness and sustainability.
Ayan, thank you for staying with us. We're having fun discussing important habits ng successful Filipinos. Kasi meron kasi mga nagtatanong na, bakit yung iba ang bilis umangat? Yung iba naghihikahos pa rin, no? 25 years na sa ibang bansa pero kumakanta pa rin ng My Elusive Dreams. Ni Tom Jones. Kaya dapat alamin natin, pakinggan natin itong successful entrepreneur. So, wala ka na bang ibang babatiin pa? Si Juday, hindi mo binate. Hoy, Juday, gising. Oras na ba yan ng empleyadong tulog nito? Tulog ka pa?
I want to greet Judy De Mayuga. She's the operation manager of Face Forward.
Ang galing ng
Wake up.
kanya, ang boses niya, no?
Yes,
Ah,
talaga naman talented.
Sinong singer ang kaparihan ng boses ni Juday?
Nako, parang hindi po ma-compare eh.
Oh, oh, she's versatile, no? As a
Yes.
singer. Ang dami. Pakantahin mo ng love song, kayang-kaya. Pakantahin mo ng dance music, kayang-kaya, di ba? Oh, lahat na lang. Ang isa lang talaga ang hindi niya kayang-kaya ngayon, yung pagmamahal. Kasi ba siyang mapili tulad ng amo eh.
Wala.
So, back to our discussion. Ano pa ang habit?
Siguro po, after we designate all the tasks that we need to do, you need to give your best to everything that you do.
Best performance. Oo.
Exactly.
Naalala ko tuloy yung lines niya sinabi na good, better, best. Don't
Yes.
let it rest till your good is better and your better best. Di ba?
Mhm.
Oh, gaano ka-importante yung best para maging successful tayo?
Kasi lagi kong sinasabi talaga, Sir Rico, as long as you know your goal,
Mm.
do your best.
Mm.
Kasi along the way, you will encounter a lot of struggles,
Mm.
failures,
Mm-mm.
o mga pagkakamali.
Ah.
Pero for me, sa mga nanonood po, those struggles or failures na kinakaharap natin, don't take it negatively.
Mm.
Take it as a lesson.
Oh, learning experience.
Exactly.
Oo. Kasi ito yung my interpretation to that is pagpapitex-petex tayo, no?
Exactly.
If we are performing like pangkwan lang, just for compliance, di ba? Okay na ito, pwede na ito. Yung
Yes.
mga ganong habit ba na you're not actually showing your best, no? Importante talang ipakita nating galing ba? We need to rise to the level of mediocrity. No?
Exactly.
Dapat huwag kang maging mediocre. Show your best in everything you do. Do ordinary things in an extraordinary fashion. So, yan
Exactly.
ganun talaga.
Saka, Sir Rico, you need to know exactly the exact amount, the
Mm.
exact goal, or kung ano yung exact na gusto mong makuha for
Mm.
you to give your best.
Oo.
And if you're going to start something, make sure
Mm.
that you love what you do.
Oh,
So
exactly.
You can give
Oh.
your best to everything
Kasi
that you
pag
do.
pag gustong-gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, ipakita mo yung galing mo.
Exactly.
Oo. Kung sa personal branding pa yan eh. Why blend when you can stand out, di ba? Why fit in when you can stand out?
Actually, Sir Rico, every time that I'm meeting a lot of people, siguro eto sa mga paniniwala ko sa buhay, na as long as you know your goal,
Mm.
kahit along the way, walang naniniwala sa'yo, kahit mag-isa ka pa papunta dun sa goal mo.
Mm.
Because I believe that as long as you know what you want in your life,
Mm.
just go forward.
Yeah.
Kahit na mag-tumbling ka, gumapang ka, lumakad ka, o tumakbo ka, as long as you know that you're going to your goal. Because along that way, kahit mag-isa ka, you're gonna meet people who have the same mindset and same goal. Na
Mm.
talagang tutulungan ka.
Yan. Oh. Ang ganda ng discussion talaga natin. Parang ang kausap ko, hindi, totoo ba na 24 ka lang?
Okay naman, Sir Rico.
Ah? Grabe, kung magsasalita, parang 45 eh. Oo. Teka, curious lang ako. Sino bang mas maganda? Ikaw o yung mama mo?
Yung mother ko. Baka wala niya pa ako
Magsasabi ka ng totoo, hindi na naman siya nagbibigay ng allowance mo eh. Madam, kung hindi pa ito nakatira sa'yo, sasabihin niya na mas maganda siya sa'yo. Gusto ko palang pasalamatan. Right after this, may magandang pagkain tayo. Courtesy of Boy Legit. Itong si Boy Legit, kaibigan namin ito na dati itong nag-manage ng pizza brand dito. No, after yung nagkaroon ng recession, alam mo yung disruption, di ba? Tayong mga Pinoy, pag meron tayong opportunity na nawawala sa atin, we are so yung initiative natin to look for other means, di ba?
Yes.
To look for another stream of income. Dito niya na-enhance yung meron pala siyang yung kakayahan on culinary aspect of it. Kaya nagluluto na ito. Nako, ayoko lang banggitin yung CP. CP na lang, no? Para hindi tayo mayayari. Boy, legit, maraming salamat. Binatang-binata pa yan, ha? Dito sa Dubai. Okay, let's continue.
Okay, Sir Rico.
Ano pa?
Siguro po, after all the things that I've said, so, nandun ka na sa papunta sa goal mo.
Oo.
So, along the way, as I mentioned, you will encounter failures,
Okay.
pagkakamali, or mga struggles or problems. And along that way, you need to know how to take full responsibility of your action.
Oy, ikaw ba ay nakakaranas ng failure in life? Huwag na natin pag-usapan yung love life, ha? Yung activities towards achieving success.
Of course.
Naranasan mo na ba?
Of course naman po, Sir Rico.
Mm.
Pero the thing is,
Paano mo na-overcome yun? No?
every time po kasi, it's normal because we're human that we feel so down sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
But it doesn't need to stop you from where you need to go.
Mm.
So every time I'm encountering failures o
Mm.
mga pagkakamali along the way,
Mm.
I'm taking it positively. Kailangan maging optimistic eh.
Mm.
Kailangan lahat ng pagkakamali mo, kuhanan mo lang siya ng magagandang bagay na natutunan
Oo.
mo at dalin mo papunta dun sa journey mo.
Tingnan mo, nagbanggit na naman, ha? Optimistic. Positivity.
Yes.
Di ba? Alam mo, yung totoo talaga yung sinabi mo na learn from your mistakes, di ba? Hindi pwede yung pumalpak ka na.
Exactly.
No? Ayaw mo na, takot ka na. No?
Mhm.
Hindi pwede yun. You have to get up. Kaya nga naalala mo nung na-late pa tayo, di ba? Nung aral tayong maglakad, pagbagsak tayo, agad tayo eh.
Exactly.
No? Baby steps. That's how we should treat the failure. Yeah.
Saka I believe, Sir Rico, wala pong nagtatagumpay sa mga sumusuko.
Oh, of course. Persistence is the name of the
Exactly.
game. Kaya nga, tingnan mo ha, Thomas Edison, di ba? Before he perfected the light bulb, he made a mistake 10,000 times. Colonel Sanders of KFC, he was rejected by 1,009 restaurant owners, di ba?
Exactly.
Oo. At saka, ito lang, yung popular na author, Chicken Soup of the Soul, Jack Canfield, di ba? He was rejected by 144 publishers. Pero hindi talaga sila nag-surrender.
Actually, even the owner of KFC,
Of
Sir
course.
Rico,
Oh.
talagang ang daming failure before
Oh,
he
yeah,
reached
exactly.
to where he is right now.
Mm.
Saka para sa akin po, I believe personally, kapag nakaka-encounter tayo ng mga failures, let's not take it negatively. Kasi ang attitude po natin kapag nahirapan, tigil na.
Tigil na hindi, no?
No.
Dapat, no?
So kapag nahihirapan po tayo, kagaya ng sabi namin kanina, consider it like taking a baby step and umakyat ka sa ladder.
Learning. Kaya nga, fail. F-A-I-L. Para hindi masyadong mabigat. First axis in learning. Oh, di ba? Para yung feeling mo na, ay, okay lang palang mag-fail kasi ito, first axis in learning.
Saka ako, Sir Rico, I believe, ako personally, ina-apply ko to sa buhay ko,
Mm.
na every time that I'm not getting something that I want,
Mm.
iniisip ko na I'm not yet ready for it and life is teaching me
Mm.
more things para ma-achieve ko tong mataas na
Oo.
hinihingi ko sa universe.
Yung minsan kasi, no, kung hindi pa nangyari sa iyo ngayon, that means na
Exactly.
may mas maganda pang bagay na darating sa iyo.
It's either may
Oo.
mas magandang mangyayari pa sa'yo or nakalaan sa'yo or kailangan mo pang mas maging stronger.
And speaking o magandang mangyayari, gusto kong batiin Josie Conlu, yung celebration pala ng Philippine Independence Day na supposedly
my
tomorrow,
mommy.
tomorrow ay sa June 26 na. Alam mo ba si Josie, she lost 10 kilos, no, because of the PID thing.
Mhm.
Ngayon, that means na with this postponement, another 10 kilos, no? So she'll be shedding off 10 kilos more. So, naku, wala nang love life na mangyayari niyan. Ano ba?
Hindi niya po talaga uso yun, Sir Rico.
So, magkikita pa tayo, ha? There's no other venue, Dubai Trade Center. Mark your calendar, June 26. Oo. Ano pa?
Siguro, Sir Rico, you need the consistency and focus.
Naku, dalawang bagay yan na medyo madugo. At hindi easy.
Exactly. Actually, this is
Ito,
the
unahin mo
trick
muna
part.
yung focus. Focus.
Doon naman po sa focus, Sir Rico, on everything that you need to do, kailangan mong bigyan talaga ng focus. Kagaya nyo nga po sinasabi kanina, like and love life.
Huwag ka na magbanggit ng may phobia ako. Oo, pag love life ang pag-uusapan, may phobia ako.
Sometimes kapag gustong-gusto natin yung isang tao o yung isang bagay, yung focus mo andun eh.
Oo.
100%, 200%.
Ako talaga, may phobia ako kasi ayokong kumanta ng "It is sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along." Di ba? Yung mga ganoon. Alam mo yung focus kasi ito normal sa Pilipino. Let's cite a good example. Ito yung multi-level marketing, di ba?
Exactly.
Di ba? Pag mayroong kitaan, yan, ito na yung magpapabago ng buhay ko. Di ba? Dahil kulang ka sa effort, no? Hindi ka nag-succeed. Meron na namang bagong lumapit sa'yo. Kumpare mo ang nag-o-offer Chong, sumali ka, akong bahala sa'yo, no? Ito, more ways to earn, more products. Sali ka na naman, di ba? Tapos, after 2 weeks, meron namang lumapit sa'yo. Ang trend ngayon, cryptocurrency.
Exactly.
Di ba? So sumali ka naman kasi ang investment nadali ka sa yung explanation ba na ito na cryptocurrency is the end thing. So join ka na naman. So ang nangyari niyan, lipat ka na lang ng lipat. Ito yung tinatawag na shiny object syndrome.
Exactly.
Hindi maganda
They're
yan. Wala
following
kang
all the
kapatunguhan.
shiny things.
Walang
Kapag may gusto kang gawin, Sir Rico, para sa akin, kapag sinabi mong focus, you're focused on what you want to achieve.
No.
So all this behind disturbance around you.
Distractions.
You need to ignore it.
Kaya pala
because-
in-ignore mo yung mga kuhan sa'yo, tumitingin na mga good-looking gentlemen. No?
So, yun nga, Sir Rico, you need to focus on the things that you're doing. If it's not going to contribute to the things that you want to achieve, you need to ignore it.
Ignore it. I like the word ignore it. Reject it. Don't get
Exactly.
involved with it. More when we return as we pause for a break. Thank you, Boy Legit.
What's the true meaning of luxury anyway? It's not always about opulence or extravagance even. It's more about being able to revel in the finer things in life. Living well, you know? In a new world where space is of utmost importance, it's about comfort. Having peace of mind, feeling secure about yourself and your surroundings. It's about having time. The nearness of you and everything else you might need. But more importantly, it's about being able to share it all with you. Lucima, the luxury of wellness and sustainability.
Tumutulong para makamit ang pangarap ng bawat OFW. Kasi isa sa baon nating pangarap ay magkaroon ng bahay, no? Pero sa liit ng sahod natin ay hindi natin kaya. Buti na lang merong Artaland. I'd like to say hi to Mr. Dima Yuga there in the Philippines of Artaland. Let's continue. Nagbanggit ka kanina ng consistency.
Yes.
Gaano ka-importante yung consistency?
Actually, Sir Rico, etong consistency, I think this is the most tricky part on all the things that you need to, along the journey of the things that you need to do. Kasi lahat po tayo, we have a lot of plans. We have a lot of dreams. Pero kapag nandun na tayo sa gitna, nadi-disturb na tayo sa mga outside factor na buhay natin. And
Kaya-
nawawala na yung consistency.
nawala na,
Which is,
oo.
this is the first, beside from God, first secret para magtagumpay ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo o sa buhay mo. You need to be consistent to what you are doing.
Naalaala mo yung kwento nung maliit pa tayo, elementary days? Yun bang a race between a rabbit and a turtle? Di ba?
Yes.
Bakit nanalo yung turtle? Dahil sa consistency. Di ba? Kahit mabagal, pero consistent.
Yes.
No? So, yun talaga na, if you are engaging into an activity, if you are on fire when you started, make sure that you
Yes.
are on fire till the end. Hindi pwede yung
Exactly.
sa gitna, you experience pain, difficulty, and challenges, you become
Exactly.
ice cold. Di
Yes.
ba? Nawawala na yung power, payaman. Di ba? Kasi you encounter difficulty. Di ba? Yung mga barricade dyan.
And actually, that's one of the secret if you want to succeed in life. You need to be consistent on everything that you are doing. So, along the way, I'm not saying that it's going to be easy, but I'm telling you that if you will stay consistent and focused to your dream, you will get there.
Di ba? You will get there. You will reach the finish line. Hindi pwede yung palagi ka na lang ng take off. Sa launching pad ka lang talaga, no? Hindi ka naka-take off.
For me, Sir Rico, it's we are human. It's okay to feel burnout or kapag pagod ka, pahinga lang. But you don't need to
Prayer
stop.
lang ang katapat niyan kung nababurnout ka,
Yes.
di ba? Oo, prayer. Make prayer your daily dose, no? Para,
And every time that you feel that you're so burnout, you always go back to your why.
oh,
Go
yun.
back to your
Oo.
why again. Why you're doing that. You need to remind yourself.
Tama ang sinabi mo, no? Go back to your why. Kasi, isipin mo minsan kasi, we are thinking of quitting, di ba? We are thinking of stopping or transferring to another field. Isipin mo, no? What is the consequence if you will stop?
Exactly.
Di ba? Oo.
And imagine all the struggles along the journey that you already face. And titigil ka.
Oh,
Because
yung
sometimes
effort
you don't
mo.
know you're already near to your dream.
Oo. Kaya nga, dapat isipin nyo, anong mangyayari? No? Nasayang yung effort nyo. Nag-umpisa ka na In the first place, bakit ka nag-umpisa kung hindi mo naman tapusin talaga? Di ba?
Exactly.
Yun ang, ano pa?
Saka siguro, Sir Rico, you need to lead by example.
Oy, walk the talk.
Yes.
Di ba? Ang galing, walk the talk. Hindi pwede yung, iba yung lumabas sa bibig mo,
Exactly.
iba yung action mo. Makikita ng tao mo, lalo na yung mga subordinate mo na observant, di ba?
Exactly.
May mga marites ka, marisol na mga tao, di ba? Kaya importante 'yon, no?
Saka Sir Rico, lahat po ng ginagawa mo, if puro kasalita, because I know all of the people, we have our dream. Lahat tayo gustong yumaman, lahat tayo gusto nating ma-achieve yung ganito, or magkaroon ng magandang trabaho. Pero sometimes, ang sakit natin, we're just saying it. But lahat
Pakita
po yun,
talaga,
you need to take action. Talagang, you need to be consistent, focus, and the most important thing, take action to all the things that you want to achieve.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo before, but before we deal on the action part of it, yung binanggit ko kanina na dapat talaga, no, ipakita natin yung pagmamahal mo, yung sigla, ang tawag na, yung sigla, yung enthusiasm towards reaching what you truly desire in life. Kasi kung wala kang sigla, no, papitex-petex ka lang.
Saka siguro, Sir Rico, doon po papasok yung positive mindset. Kasi if you know your goal and you're so optimistic about it, anything na darating sa buhay mo, struggles or any problems, you will still be optimistic because you're thinking that this is just another challenge. Sabi ko nga po kanina, everything is so hard in the beginning. Pero yung mahirap na to, after mo siya malagpasan, it will be easy. And there's another hard thing again, and after that, it will be easy. And you will not notice that you're already going to the top.
Since you mentioned hardship, the word hard, may isang magandang treatment dyan, no? Isipin lang niya, by the yard, it's hard. But ins for ins, it's a sins. Diba? So, kung medyo mahirap, break it into small task to make it easier.
Exactly.
Diba? So, pag-usapan natin yung anong binanggit mo, yung kanina, yung last na may sinabi ka na word, tip, no? Na sinabi ko na, oy, bago yan, ano yung last na binanggit mong habit?
You need to lead by example.
You need to lead by example. Kasi pangit kasi na, especially if you're a manager, no? Lalo na sa'yo, you're CEO of a company. No, pag pinapakita mo sa tao mo, no, na ito yung iba yung sinasabi mo, iba yung ginagawa mo. Hindi maganda 'yan, 'di ba? Remember that people are watching you. Alam mo yung tinatawag na monkey see, monkey do, no?
Yes.
Whatever they will see, they will follow kasi nakikita na okay lang pala ginagawa nga ni Sir. No? Kaya importante talaga lead by example.
Saka Sir Rico, it's very important that you're taking action sa lahat ng ginagawa mo towards
action
your goal.
pala, action. Yun. Sometimes I have memory lapses when I'm excited, especially pag ganito kaganda yung kausap mo, di ba? Kaya nga si Boy Legit tingin-tingin sa'yo, nahalata ko. Alam mo, ito yung mata ni Boy Legit, matalas ang paningin niya. Kasi noong 2 weeks ago, nung si Chris Diamond yung bisita ko, hindi niya tinitingnan. Action, no?
Yes.
Ito yung pinaka-importante. Action is the gap between planning, no? Importante yung yung execution, no?
Exactly.
Natawag. Kasi kung puro ka lang dada niyan, puro ka plano, walang mangyayari sa'yo.
Sir Rico, I want to share one of my experience.
Mm.
Kasi I'm encountering a lot of people. Siguro ako din way back before,
Ah.
nung hindi ko pa siya natututunan.
Mm.
Sometimes we're blaming the situation, the people. But if you need to take action, you just need to blame yourself if you're not getting something that you want. Because sometimes maybe puro ka salita and you're not taking action to your dream.
Ang problema nga, bukit nabanggit mo wala tayong sense of accountability.
Yes.
No? Pag may kapalpakan tayo, we blame others.
The
no?
situation.
The situation, the weather,
parents.
the time. Other people are not supporting me. That's why I'm not
Yes.
succeeding. The project is not really good because I
Yes.
lack the support of the
Or
other
if
team members.
they want to be an entrepreneur, they're always complaining that I don't have enough money, I don't know how to do these things. If you really want to do it, you will study it.
Karoon ka ng feasibility study, di ba? Or para matuto ka, no?
Yun nga, Sir Rico, papasok, gaano mo baka gusto yung gusto mong marating?
At saka kung gusto mo matuto, join Philippine Business Council, di ba?
Yes.
Maraming training dyan. I'd like to say hi to Miss Bobby na pumayat na rin siya dahil sa PID 2022. Kaya I'm inviting entrepreneurs and those who would like to be entrepreneurs to be part of PBC or Philippine Business Council. Busy ang PBC at League of Freight Forwarders,
Yes.
no? Dahil sa celebration ng Philippine Independence Day. Kaya nga, mark your calendar, it's happening, no? It's finally happening on June 26th at the Dubai World Trade Center. Ano pa?
Saka po siguro, after knowing all the tasks, your goal, or the attitude towards achieving your goal, you need to have this background on how to properly save and invest. Financial literacy.
Alam mo, importante yan, no? Oo. At saka, speaking of financial literacy, para sa akin this is how I see it. Ini-encourage natin yung mga OFWs to attend financial literacy seminar.
Exactly.
Pero dapat talaga mag-attend din yung pamilya sa Pilipinas. Because they are the one receiving the money, di ba?
Exactly.
Kung walang financial literacy yan, ang habit na bill mo ko, ay nako, walang mangyari, walang savings. Uuwi ang OFW na luhaan dahil pagdating doon, walang naitabing pera no? Yun ang problema.
Exactly.
Kaya, at saka, importante yung tinatawag mo na investing, di ba?
Exactly.
Kasi kung you invest on something, no, just in case you will retire as an OFW, at least meron kang naitabi.
Sabi nga po, Sir Rico, no matter how big your income is, if you don't know how to properly handle it, lilipad lang ang
Yun,
pera
wala
natin.
talaga, importante talaga yung saving. Kaya nga, yung budgeting is crucial, di ba?
Exactly.
Ang problema kasi is, yung savings sasabihin mo na, kung ano ang matitira sa expenses ko, ito yung isa-save ko. Ang problema, wala
Exactly.
No? So,
and it's important that you let your money grow because if you have a background about financial literacy, you know what's asset, what's liability.
Exactly.
Where to
Alam mo kung ano
properly
yung
invest.
tinatawag na white elephant. Di ba? Kaya importante talaga na dapat magtabi mo na, reward yourself first, di ba?
I think, Sir Rico, yung mga topic natin earlier, it's also connected here because if you know your goal, sabi ko nga yung mga distractions, if you have financial literacy, you have this goal, alam mo kung paano mag-save to properly budget your
Iniisip
money.
mo, ang ipon, hindi ang iPhone. Di ba? Ouch! Sabi ng iba, ouch! Yan ang
Exactly.
bitter reality, di ba?
Because sometimes po, we need to sacrifice now and we can enjoy later after all the hard work.
Yes. You know,
We can enjoy the fruit
I
for
can share,
later.
the right word for that is delayed gratification.
Exactly.
Hindi naman yung instant gratification, hindi pwede yun na kung ano yung model ng iPhone, bili ka agad, no? To the extent na mangungutang ka or gamit ng credit card, lalo na pag yung credit card mo sumisigaw ng sky is the limit! Di ba? Yun ang problema No?
Saka po, we need to be persistent
Mm.
dun sa dream natin.
Persistent, maganda yung dalawa, a combination of consistency and persistency.
Yes.
Perseverance.
Exactly.
Di ba? Dagdagan pa natin, grit. Ano pa?
Saka siguro po, this is all the attitude that you need to have if you want to succeed in life. So let's go to the healthy lifestyle.
Ay, nako, magbabalik tayo. Mukhang pinatamaan mo ako. May galit ata ito sa akin. Healthy lifestyle lang. Nakita kasi niya yung tuhod at paglalakad ko. We will be right back in a short while.
Not bad, huh?
I think it needs something.
And
Whoa, hold it. Maybe something more bullish.
bullish? I mean, it has to be out of this world.
No. What we really need is something seriously next level. Now that's next level.
We'd like to say hi to those who are still with us, staying close. Lalo na yung 4 million followers ng T-Bone at mga single men. Baka sabihin ng ma'am nito na, ano ba yan, kabayan Rico? I want my daughter to stay single.
Hindi naman po. It will come in the right time.
Di ba? Huwag magmadali. Sabi nga nila teka muna, nagbanggit ka ng kanina.
Healthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle. Pagbanggit mo ng healthy, anong?
What's the connection? Ano po kasi, Sir Rico? So this is all the attitude, all the things that you need to do for you to succeed. Of course, if we are not healthy, how are we going to do all the actions and tasks to do it? Siguro po when I say healthy lifestyle, it's not just about physically. Of course, physical is important.
Alam mo, mga bisyo. You're talking about bisyo niyan. Marami tayong matatamaan. Ay, mag-disclaimer muna tayo. Bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan ay huwag magalit dahil sapul. Ano ba yung unhealthy lifestyle? Magbanggit ka ng mga activities.
I know. When I say healthy lifestyle, it's not just about exercising. Let's talk about physical, spiritual, your emotional. It's all part of the things that you need to take care of. Especially po siguro emotional. If you're not emotionally stable, how are you going to focus on your
You
dream?
will be full of stress.
Exactly.
Tension. Para kang narinig ng driver, tension my friend! Tension my friend!
Exactly. You need to have this healthy emotional state for you to do all the things that you need to do. And of course, physically, you need to be physically healthy. And
dapat may exercise talaga, di ba? Hindi naman na ibig sabihin na kailangan mong pumunta sa gym. Pwede ka naman na maglakad, di ba?
Actually po, Sir Rico, when they're saying na exercise is for you to be healthy, actually it's also good for your mind. Because when we're doing exercise, it's producing kind of hormones na talagang nagpapagulo sa atin. So at least if you're going to start your day with an exercise or spiritually, if you're going to meditate, it will relax you and it will go back to your...
Naalaala ko tuloy yung, alam mo yung teacher ko back in college, iwan ko kung I get it right na we need to have a sound mind and a sound body. Yung
Exactly.
min sana incorpore sano. Iwan ko kung tama ba yun. Pero ang tagal na noon eh. Kaya hindi ako sigurado kung sure ba. I would ask my kumpare, Father June Ribala of the University of San Carlos in Cebu, if I said it right. Yung mga dapat tala, yung pag-iinom, iwasan din yun.
Exactly.
Drink moderately.
Saka
Yung
siguro,
social
Sir,
drinker, di ba?
Saka po siguro, Sir Rico, doon papasok yung self-love.
Oo, yun. Kasi kung mahal mo yung sarili mo, hindi
can
ka
do everything.
magsugapa ka sa inuman, yung smoking, di ba? Oo.
Saka ano po, yun dun po sa sinabi ko nga kanina na you need to believe in yourself. Doon din papasok yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. Because if you love yourself enough, you know all the things that you need to do for you to achieve your dream.
Parang
Hindi ka titigil.
Parang alaala ko yung song ni George Benson na The Greatest Love of All. The greatest love of all is to love yourself. Di ba? Dapat mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Importante
You
yun.
should be the number one fan of yourself.
Kasi walang ibang magmamahal Oo, although may magmahal sa'yo, pero mas maganda talagang ikaw yung magmahal. Kasi kung mahal mo yung sarili mo, hindi ka pipili ng isang mali na desisyon. Di ba? Oo. Ang dami na nating napag-usapan, no? Magbigay ka nga ng tips, no?
Yes po.
On how to be successful as a Filipino. Ikaw, Canel, you are in the right position to share with us tips. Give us tips. Kasi entrepreneur ka at the age of 24.
Siguro po doon papasok yung mindset talaga natin. At the beginning, I'm always telling, ano yung why mo? Or you need to know yourself. You need to love yourself first. Because if you know and love yourself enough, you know all the things that you wanted to do or what are the things that you want to pursue. And from there, you're going to decide ano yung pangarap mo.
Yako, importante yun. Kaya sabi nga nila watch your thoughts or it becomes words, di ba? Watch your word because maging action yan. No?
Exactly.
Watch your action kasi maging habit mo, yung habit mo watch, it becomes your destiny.
Exactly.
Kaya importante talaga yung sinasabi mo.
Saka if you know your goals and your dream, kahit anong struggle, yung pagdaanan natin or any bumps along the way, you need to stay focused. Kailangan talaga yung consistency. And of course, after knowing all your dreams and yung gusto mong maging, sino ka ba? Gusto mong maging ikaw after 10 years, 50 years? Sino ba yung Kyra or Sir Rico after 50
sino
years?
Come on!
And of course, it's important that you equip yourself with the proper knowledge and skills.
Oo. Alam mo, meron, importante din, no, for us to be successful is to have, kasi sabi mo, equip yourself with the right tools. Let's have a growth mindset.
Exactly.
Oo. Yun bang, kung sa Japanese pa yan, yung tinatawag na kaizen, continuous improvement, di ba? Learn the things that could help you in what you truly desire in life. Kung gusto mo, halimbawa, maging entrepreneur, maraming video sa YouTube na pwede mong panoorin with regards to entrepreneurship, no? Libre yan, no? Or, pwede mo nga ngayon, i-save mo yung mga audio from the video, no? And when you're driving your car, instead na radio station mong pakinggan, no? Ipasok mo yung audio about personality development, time management, personal branding, goal setting.
Exactly.
Convert your cars into university on wheels.
Exactly.
Yun.
Saka we need to maximize our time po. Kasi most of the people, lalo kapag bata ka pa, siguro it's perfect for me because I'm just 24.
Pero I'm just surprised because at the age of 24, meron ka ng ganong mindset, no? Entrepreneurial mindset.
Siguro po it's because of the experience. I believe po kasi na yung maturity is not about the age. It's based on the experience. So, kailangan you need to equip yourself with
parang sinasabi mo na rin na seniority is not about age.
Saka siguro po, not just because some of the people maybe will say that she already achieved that because she's still young. She still have a lot of time to do. Hindi po. Kahit po anong edad natin, even if I will go back, I will still wish that I should start this earlier.
Gutit, binanggit mo yan. Kasi this is a common mistake ng, I hope, but this is just the way I see it, no? Yung iba kasi, savings, di ba? Ayoko, bata pa naman ako wala akong pressure, single ako So, yung nagpapadala ka na sa instant gratification mo kung wala kang pressure, di ba? Shenzhen visa. Punta, travel, di ba? Na pwede ka naman mag-staycation lang muna, di ba? Gusto mo talagang pumunta doon sa magkuha ng Shenzhen visa at mag-travel kasi ito na yung pagkakataon ko, I'm still young, di ba? Yan ang problema Pero kung isipin mo talaga, no?
And we need to always think, Sir Rico, na we don't know what will happen tomorrow.
Katulad ng pandemic, di ba? Alam ba natin na mangyayari ito?
Exactly.
Kung siguro kung alam mo na darating itong pandemic, nag-emergency fund ka.
Exactly.
No? Ano nangyari? No? Hindi natin alam. Kaya marami walang emergency fund, kaya nahihirapan, no? Yun ang effect.
Saka po siguro, don't give reason to yourself kasi lahat po ng pangarap natin, it's either kung may edad ka na sabi mo, matanda na ako, hindi na ako para dito.
Ay,
or
hindi
pag bata
pwede
ka
yun.
naman, masyado pa akong bata, hindi ko alam yan.
si Colonel Sanders, 65.
Yes.
Di ba? Oy, yung sa author ng Rogic Thesaurus, 97 nung nag-publish, di ba? Yung first American in space, no? 79. So,
Exactly.
age is just a number.
Saka
Pero,
siguro po, Sir Rico, sa mga nanonood po, because sometimes we're always looking to the people who is already in the 100 level.
oh,
We don't need to compare ourselves to
No.
those people because all of us, we started from the bottom.
mm,
Always focus to yourself. Huwag kang tumingin sa paligid mo.
ang gawin mo lang, make them as your inspiration.
Inspiration.
But compare yourself to your previous record.
Exactly.
Oo. Na ito yung dati kong sarili and now I'd like to create a better version of
Yeah.
myself by
Lagi-
doing these things.
Lagi ko nga pa sinasabi, Sir Rico, you need to compete to yourself, not with other people.
Of course, importante yon. Kasi kung makikumpara ka, kawawa ka, di ba? LKK, kung sa Bisaya pa, looy kayo ka.
Saka dun nga po pumapasok din yung growth mindset mo, yung abundance
Mm.
mindset. Kasi if you're going to look all the things or kung nasaan ka before to
Mm.
where you are right now, you will be so grateful.
Mm.
Because if you will look to those people na andun na sa kung saan mo gustong marating,
Mm.
you will feel pity to yourself
Oh.
and mawawalan ka ng gana to do your goals.
Yun bang, yung gusto ko yung sinabi mo abundance mindset. No? Dapat isipin natin na, let's consider na the surrounding is full of opportunities.
Exactly.
Hindi pwede yung magkaroon tayo ng scarcity mindset na nag-aagawan tayo dahil kunti na, di ba? Marami pa, maraming unexplored opportunities na kaya nating makuha, di ba?
Saka we are all talented po. Talagang kulang lang tayo ng tiwala sa sarili. We really need, the first thing you need to do is believe in yourself.
Oh. Kaya narinig nyo, believe in yourself. Ay, magbabalik po kami in a short while.
Bini-bini lang ba kung paano nahulog sa'yo? Naramdaman lang bigla ng puso. Aking sinta, ikaw lang nagparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa akin ang tumatakbo sa isip mo. Kung mahal mo na rin ba ako, isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng
Doon tayo sa elegante, pero sulit. UAE Kabayan Souk.
Of course, God,
Ito
number
importante
one.
talaga.
And you need to know your goal.
Okay,
Set your
yan.
goal. You need to prioritize all your
Ay,
tasks,
importante yan.
positivity, and consistency.
Yan. Nakita niya. Top 5, ha? Kaya, for those who are watching us today, maraming salamat for watching. And favor naman, pakishare para maibahagi natin ang learning sa ibang mga Pinoy. At aangat tayo. Pag sabihin Pinoy, ay, nako, magaling yan, no? At talented ang mga Pinoy. At yayaman. Kasi
Exactly.
meron silang growth mindset.
Exactly.
What is Face Forward?
Face Forward is my baby company.
Okay.
So if you want to use a skincare, it's all manufactured in Korea and China.
Oo.
So we have skincare and wellness products. So if you're looking for a perfect skincare that has a mild ingredients on it,
Mm.
you can try Face Forward. And for those people, I also open to distributors or resellers.
Mm.
Please feel
Oy,
free to follow us.
Dapat bigyan mo ng sample si Madam Jana, yung wife ni Direct Mike Nerpio. Birthday niya the other day. No?
Sure
Kaya
po.
dapat pagbalik mo mamayang
Sure
gabi,
po.
bigyan mo ng
Walang
sample.
problema.
Oh, Madam Jana, happiest birthday, belated. Ano ang final, kung mo talaga, give me one statement for them to realize na importante yung attitude.
Yes.
Mm.
Siguro po sa mga nanonood, lagi kong sinasabi, even almost every day, and to all the people that I'm encountering, the number one you need to do is to surrender everything to God
Mm.
and believe in yourself. No matter what struggles, kahit gumapang tayo, as long as we know our goal, as long as we will continue to go to that path, huwag kang sumuko because you can do it.
Yan. You can do it. Importante, the attitude of believing na you can do it, whatever it takes. Remember,
Yes.
your altitude in life will be determined by your attitude.
Yes.
Ah,
Whatever your mind can perceive, you can achieve.
Oo, di ba? Naalaala ko yung, I'd like to close by borrowing your statement, begin with the end in mind. How do you
Yes.
see yourself 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Are you seeing yourself still as an OFW or as an entrepreneur?
And all
Think.
Yes po, Sir Rico. And all the things that you're doing every day, you need to always look 5 years from now. If yung mga ginagawa mo ba ngayon will contribute to the person that you want to be 5 years.
Yan, importante yan. So, visualize. Di ba? Importante yung visualization. Maraming salamat for joining us. Kyra, maraming salamat and see you tonight at 7.
Saka po siguro, Sir Rico, I just want to
Yeah.
say hi to all the company that's collaborated in my company.
Mm.
Ube Channel, Sky Reliance,
Okay.
Helix Dental Clinic, and also if you want to have a sumptuous dinner, go to the Avenue Hotel.
Yan, si Michelle. Oo. Ngayon, mamaya, nako, hindi ka na pwede, no need to go to Avenue Hotel kasi si Boy Legit nagbigay sa atin ng pan ngayon. Maraming salamat for watching. We'll see you again next week, 9 a.m. Saturday, live here in Dubai for So Standing Out, Speaking Out. Thanks for watching.